Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. We pillage, we pirate, real life for love. Drink up, me hearty, yo ho. We kidnap and ravage and don't give a hoot. Drink up, me hearty, yo ho. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. We start, I drink up, me hearty, yo ho. We burn to say we're really a fright. Drink up, me hearty, yo ho. Eh? Who's that? Oh, ahoy there. So you like adventure, huh? Like the Blue Waters of the Caribbean? I knew you would. Well, let's leave this sleepy bio and go to the Blue Waters of the Caribbean. There be plundering pirates, adventure, such as the kidnap of ships at seaport. So be careful, go forth and obey. Dead men tell no tales. 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 Oh, look here. Seems a pirate battle took place here. Many of the bones, many sailors were here. The crabs and seagulls that picked the bones clean, eh? Oh, pirate's life for me, but dead men tell no tales. And the captain's quarters, the dandy bed here. And right next to it is the treasure trove, the huge treasure of gold and jewels. You've seen the treasure end. There's little I can do. No peace be here, says you. Properly warned me, says I. Who knows what'll obey? Dead men tell no tales. Perhaps you've seen too much. You've seen the cursed treasure. Ye know where it's hidden. Now proceed at your own risk. These be the last friendly words you hear. You might not survive to pass this way again. Dead men tell no tales. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. We struck the horn, raver and I drink up me hearty yo ho. We burned to say we're really a fright, drink up me hearty yo ho. We're rascals scarred golden days, we're up me hearty yo ho. We're down the pretty bad eggs, drink up me hearty yo ho. Boom, boom, boom. The sound of adventure. Cannon fire. A pirate ship is attacking a Spanish town. It's quite amazing. Prepare to fire. Boom, 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 boom. Take out your swabs! Take that! Guys, otro corazon! Give another broadside! Take that, your swabs! Shut up, Captain! One clear through this mast! Boom, boom! Take that! Avast, scurry swabs! Roll up your wing leg! Never give up! We will not surrender! Take that! All banded up in full guard! Boom, boom! Clear the neck, swabs! Well, such a set here, Bear's not quite amazing. Anyway, it seems the pirates have actually taken over the town, and the captain is trying to get the mayor to tell where the treasure is. Let's look in. Boom. Avast, ye scurry swabs! Where be the treasure? Do not tell him, Carlos! No! Take that! I eat on chicken. Tell us where the treasure is! Be that clear, senor? Be brave, Carlos! Don't listen to him! Take that! Be brave, Carlos! Don't be chicken! Pow! I am not chicken! I will not talk! I will not talk! It seems that the pirates of auction are now auctioning off the town beauties. It's quite amazing. Weigh anchor now, you swabbies! What do I hear? We want the redhead! We want the redhead! So what do I hear? What do I hear for this? What's it wins? We want the redhead! We want the redhead! So what'll it be? What do I hear? Do I hear 6? 6 and B, 6 bowls of rub. Well, I'm not asking for sponge or rub. It'd be gold I'm after. We want the redhead! We want the redhead! Well, quite busy here, quite busy here. And there be pirates, Ed. Pirates be pirates. Now sing! Sing. Yo ho, a pirate's late for me. They squawked for her river, I forgot me, hurry, yo ho. We burnt the city, we're really afraid, forgot me, hurry, yo ho. We're rascals, scarred, those in age, forgot me, hurry, yo ho. The devil's is flashing pretty bad eggs, forgot me, hurry, yo ho. We're rascals, general, forgot me, hurry, yo ho. I'm a lover, mommy's a dad, forgot me, hurry, yo ho. Wow, quite amazing here. It seems one pirate actually got captured. And the dog with the keys in his mouth. Come here. Give me the keys. Give me the keys. That's it. Give me the keys. That's easy now. Easy now. Don't drop them. Yo ho, a pirate's late for me. Wow, it's quite amazing. Pirates adventure, quite amazing. Well, I have to leave you now. I'll leave you here in this bayou. Fare thee well, me hearties. Fare thee well. Yo ho, a pirate's life.